lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
So today I'm just running around the house. We are currently in our rental house. We're gonna be here all winter long. And this was actually an extra room. The owners took a bed for their son, which is absolutely perfect because I wanted to get this rack. I wanted to get it out of my storage because it's gonna basically freeze all the food. So I'm gonna be taking all this food. We're gonna be putting it on the rack and just storing it here so I can access it when I need to. But a lot of this is like my prepper supply as well. So it's gonna be intermingled right now while we're staying in the house. And then hopefully by the time we're out of here, we'll have the new RV and the new place on the land. So we can either put it in storage and the RV or on our own property. Let's go. Okay, so first I'm gonna take like all like the heavy stuff. I'm gonna put this at the bottom, which is gonna be like all the cans and just so it can like anchor it to the ground. And I want it to be where the things I'm gonna use the least are gonna be at the bottom. Gotta have your Spam. We have chili. So then I'm gonna do evaporated milk next. Oh, I think I'm gonna do that on this side here. Oh, another Spam. We got classic and less sodium. The chicken broth. That's a heavy bad boy. That's a heavy boy. Okay. I'm gonna get a workout today. Do I have any other cans like this? Do you see any other cans like this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack this onto here like that. Okay, then we're gonna do the soup. So we don't normally eat canned spaghetti and meatballs unless I make it myself, but I feel like it's good to have these because this takes the least amount of energy to cook. So if you have like a prepper supply, canned soups and raviolis, these are just really good to have on hand. And my kids will totally eat these if they have to. Oh my God, I'm gonna get a workout, dude. Oh my God. This makes me so happy to see you guys. Like, I'm extremely happy. Will this fit in here? Woo! By the hair of our chinny chin chin. Yes, look at that. Like a glove.
They like that, glove.
Look at that. It's like I designed it to fit like that. Who had Tetris back in the day? See that? Woo! Freebie! Okay. I just got lightheaded. Alright. Next up. I have these bins, but I'm thinking, should these go to the next one? Oh, here we go. These. Oh, hell no. Dead spider. Alive spider. It's alive. It's alive right there. Right there.
Where?
Right there on the white thing.
Right here?
Oh my God. I'm scared. Now I'm creeped out. I get creeped out very easily. So can I fit two this way or no?
All of this is like the stuff with the wall ends. Yes.
Look. Right there, red one. Well, that's what happens when you don't take inventory. I just did an Azure haul. We got all this. So now I'm going to be putting part of this away. So I do have another pantry that I'm going to be putting a bunch of stuff that we use on a regular basis. This is like Backstock, so I don't want to have too much in the pantry. When I need it, I'll come in here and grab it, you know? These will come up here. Do 3. No! Shit, I didn't think this through.
This is payback because I carried all this from the truck to the shed into the house.
This is what husbands don't understand. Like, I'm always carrying in groceries, like, at the grocery store, loading the cart, putting it on the conveyor belt, putting it into the car. And then they think because they're bringing it from the car to the house, that they've done all this. Like, I've already lifted this like 4 times already, okay? Now, let's put these 2 in here. Then I'm gonna put, oh, one more of these. Okay. So we're gonna, oh, is this lemon juice? You know what? I'm gonna take this for my pantry because I'm gonna start, I'm starting to can. And you can't use fresh lemon, you actually need bottled lemon juice. So I'm actually gonna take that out of this extra supply. Honey, do we have any of this out?
I think so.
We should probably get one of these out, right?
Yeah.
Do we have one? You know, we might. I'll get it if I need it. I'll come back to this. Okay, buddy, go put this. Actually, I'm going over here anyways. Okay, I need to see what's going on in here. Oh, fuck. Do I see? So, oh my gosh. We just had this salt last night, you guys. Let me open it up. If you have not had this salt, did you love this?
Yes.
It was so good. I cannot wait to put these on some like chocolate chip cookies because this flake salt sets things to another level. I'm telling you. This would have been good on the steaks, huh? Okay. So what is gonna go in? My powders, I think all that can actually go into the pantry, I think. Right? Because I'm gonna use this on a regular basis. I'm gonna use these. Okay, so in my storage, I also have some buckets of flours and rice and in 5-gallon buckets. We need to go back and get those. The car was full, so Nick couldn't get them, but I'm gonna label them, and I've already put some into Mylar bags, so I just wanna go get those from the storage, and I'll show you guys what that looks like, but I'm gonna be putting it in here as well. I don't want them to freeze if they have not already frozen. They possibly have, who knows?
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something.
Okay. Wow, it's really bright in here because my lights. Okay, here it is, you guys. It is dark now. I have it all done. I have some other stuff I'm probably gonna bring in from my Azure haul, but this is everything that was in my storage. I did add a couple of the giant jugs of, what is that called? Red wine vinegar and all that, all the sauces. Like, I definitely want more spaghetti sauce. This kind of helps me see the stuff that I need, but this is just my emergency supply. And I feel like I have more. I don't know why, and maybe they left some, but it's a lot of like canned stuff. Like, this won't last long. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not a lot. So this is a good start, but so I showed you guys my Azure haul, and now I'm gonna start putting everything away. I have a bunch of like flowers and stuff I'm gonna put in my pantry. I'm gonna put some flowers in here, like the kamut flower I'm trying. It's all small enough to fit in this. Arrowroot powder, buttermilk powder, all those will fit in here. And then I have one more, where's it at? Oh, cocoa powder. So I'm gonna stick this in the pantry like this. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in just maybe the next video or so, like an Amazon haul. Maybe the next video or so, but I bought a bunch of these, and that is where a lot of these 5-pound bags of flour and oats and things that I'm gonna use on a day-to-day basis are gonna go in here on my counter. Because I'm moving into a house after we do the rental house, I thought I would buy these because these will never fit in the RV. So if you guys don't know, I am a full-time RVer. But now we just bought some property and we are renting a house and we're building. So we got a lot going on, but now I'm gonna have space for stuff like this.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else.
Lighting, terrible right now, but why is the light off in the kitchen? So the lighting is really bad. I just wanted to show you guys, this is the pantry. It's not where I want it to be. I'm still trying to organize it to find everything.
Talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that would make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. Saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow, already know. Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else.
See if we can get mama to back the truck up. You gonna back the truck up on camera? You backing the truck up on camera? Oh, look it. Stepping up to the challenge. Let's go. Oh, you're good. One take Jake action. Dude, you've been doing this for years now, huh? That's about all the driving you do, though. But I appreciate it.
Max, I'm a passenger princess, sir.
Passenger goddess.
Okay.